So in today's video I will show you how to create an account on Ali Bank. So first of all you need to do is come here on Google and search for Ali Bank, okay? And you can enter on this first link, and now what you need to do is read this page because it have a lot of information that you may need, and you can click right here on open account. After this you will be redirected to this page and you can choose one option right here. Then you click continue. You can select individual, joint, in the name of a trust, or a custodial account, okay? Now you can put an amount right here. You can select your options on your account, and now you can click on this button right here. You can click on next step. You need to be a US citizen, so mark this option and click continue. And now all you need to do is put your information, submit your application, and later all you need to do is deposit money and starting using your account. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe.